Welcome to Simply Explained Academy. If you've been hearing all the buzz about Sui, but you're still wondering, what on earth is this blockchain all about? You're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down what Sui is, how it's different from other blockchains, how you can buy and stake Sui tokens, what cool apps are already live, and what's coming next with Sui 2.0. Plus, we'll dive into the big question on everyone's mind. Should you buy Sui? So, let's dive right in. First up, what exactly is Sui? Think of Sui as a brand new Layer 1 blockchain built by a team called Mistin Labs, former engineers from Meta, who helped develop the Move programming language for the Diem blockchain project. But here's the thing. Unlike some of the older blockchains you've heard of, Sui was designed from the ground up to be incredibly fast and super cheap to use. At its core, Sui uses something called an object-centric data model and parallel transaction processing. In plain English, that means it can handle thousands of transactions per second without ever slowing down. Imagine a multi-lane highway where every car gets its own lane, no traffic jams ever. Now you're probably wondering how Sui stacks up against big names like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano. So let's talk about that next. Ethereum is battle-tested and widely used. Recent upgrades like the Merge and Layer 2 solutions have helped reduce congestion and lower gas fees, though fees can still sometimes spike during heavy demand. Solana is extremely fast, but it has experienced occasional network outages that can be concerning, though the team is working hard to improve stability. Cardano has a rock-solid research foundation, but has been slower to roll out new features. What makes Sui stand out even more is how it balances speed with low fees. It's designed to stay fast even under heavy use. And for developers, the Move language makes building secure and efficient apps a whole lot easier. It's not just quick, it's also smart under the hood. Okay, so you've heard the technology promises. Now how do you actually buy some Sui tokens? Step 1. Pick a cryptocurrency exchange. Right now, Sui is available on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Just sign up, complete the Know Your Customer process, and fund your account with dollars, euros, or another cryptocurrency. Step 2. Place your purchase order. Type in how much you want to buy and click Buy. That's it. Almost too easy, right? Step 3. For safety, transfer your Sui tokens to a non-custodial wallet. You can use a hardware wallet like Ledger, the official Mistin wallet, or the Sui Foundation's wallet. And step 4. Write down your recovery phrase on paper and store it somewhere very safe. I can't stress this enough. No screenshots, no text files, no sharing it online. That's it. You're officially holding Sui tokens now. Okay, let's talk about what Sui tokens actually do. They have 3 main jobs. First, you use Sui to pay small fees every time you do something on the network. This helps stop spam and keeps things running smoothly. Second, you can stake your Sui tokens. This means you lock them up to help keep the network safe and running right. In return, you earn rewards, usually around 4 to 6%. Third, if you have Sui tokens, you can help make decisions about how the network is run by voting on important proposals. Staking is easy. Choose a trusted validator, lock your tokens, and start earning rewards. Now, let's explore some exciting dApps on Sui, particularly in gaming and NFTs. For NFT enthusiasts, Move stands out as a leading marketplace on the Sui blockchain, offering a seamless experience for minting and trading NFTs with minimal gas fees. In the gaming arena, One Fight Arena is a mobile combat sports game where you can play as real MMA fighters, earn Sui tokens, and unlock rewards. For those interested in DeFi, Kai Finance offers leveraged yield farming services, allowing users to boost their returns through advanced vault strategies on the Sui network. Thanks to Sui's low transaction fees, experimenting with these dApps is accessible and cost-effective, perfect for newcomers to the crypto space. Alright, so what's next for Sui? Let's break it down in a way that's easy to follow. Sui 2.0 is coming later this year, sometime around the 3rd quarter of 2025, and it's a big deal. Why? Because it's going to introduce full decentralized governance. That means the Sui community, you and me, can actually vote on what happens next with the network. All the decisions will happen on-chain, which is just a fancy way of saying it's all transparent and secure. And here's another big thing. Sui is building bridges to other blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. That means these networks will start talking to each other. You'll be able to move assets between them easily. That's huge for growth. They're also putting money into the developer community. Think hackathons, builder programs, grants, it's all happening. So don't be surprised if you start seeing a bunch of new apps and tools popping up on Sui this year. This isn't just a little experiment anymore. Sui is growing fast. The ecosystem is expanding, and the community is getting stronger. It's starting to feel like Sui is here to stay. Now, let's tackle the big question. Should you buy Sui? Listen, I'm not your financial advisor, but here are some things to consider. First, Sui is still early in its adoption curve, so if it really takes off, you could see significant upside. On the flip side, new blockchains can face security issues or slower developer traction than expected, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Timing matters too. Big upgrades like Sui 2.0 often trigger price moves, so buying right before or after can be a gamble. And remember diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Balance Sui with other blue-chip cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If the tech excites you and you believe in the team, a small allocation might make sense. But seriously, do your own research first. Want to stay on top of Sui's price action? Bookmark CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap for live charts. And follow the official Sui Network channels on Twitter and Telegram for community updates and breaking news. You can even set price alerts on your exchange or in a portfolio tracker app so you never miss a big move. Before we wrap up, let's cover a few quick, frequently asked questions to clear up any doubts. First, is Sui safe? So far, Miston Labs has completed several thorough third-party security audits to help ensure the network is secure. Plus, the Move programming language that Sui uses has built-in safety features that help reduce many common risks found in smart contracts. This means your tokens and transactions are much safer on Sui. Second, how do I unstake my Sui tokens? It's easy. Go to your Sui wallet or staking dashboard, choose the validator you've staked with, and click Unstake. After that, there's a 24-hour unbonding period, and once it's over, your tokens will be available for withdrawal and use. Third, can I bridge assets to Sui? Yes, absolutely. You can use cross-chain bridges like Wormhole to quickly move assets such as Ethereum or USDC onto the Sui network in just a few minutes. This makes it easy to start using your favorite tokens on Sui without hassle. If you found this deep dive helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button.